Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski. I will be your instructor slash facilitator for English 1105 Net 10, the 12-week online version of workplace writing. So, in this orientation video, I first want to ask you, or I should say, I want to welcome you all to the course and give you a brief tour and let you know exactly how the course is being delivered to you, how Blackboard is set up. It is the main source of all your information along with your textbook. So, as you can see in Blackboard, if you're familiar, you have your course menu on the left where we have announcements. The syllabus is posted in that section. I'll get to that in a second. Schedule and due dates are broken out there for the full length of this course. And of course, my information as the instructor. Now, this is how you would contact everyone in the course, including myself, is the email setup. And real briefly, course units, discussion boards, and chapter quizzes are where you'll do most of your work. The bottom section here on the course menu, as you can see, is your place to go for any kinds of resources. So in the announcements, this is how I will communicate with the class. First, you will see an email that should have gone out sometime today about the textbook. And yes, you do need the textbook. We will use it. You'll need to read it. Many of your activities, your discussion boards, your assignments originate from the textbook, so you will need the textbook. Now, you also will notice that I have a week one schedule and due dates here. Each week, I will send out via the announcements to you a schedule of the week's due dates, and also in this announcement, I will publish this screencast video. So each week it's important because I will discuss information on the week's activities and assignments, which might help everyone in being successful in this course. So once again, here we go back up to the course menu and the syllabus, and you will see all of the learning objectives and grading policies that are up in the syllabus. What you have here is all of the assignments, the appropriate points, and also course policies about late work, withdrawals, incompletes, all the policies required by the college. Okay, and you have the catalog information as far as course objectives and the outline of the course. All right. In the schedule and the due dates, you will see all of the due dates broken down by week and what assignments are due. My due time, or the time everything is due in an online class, is always end of day. All right, 11:59 is when everything is due. So if you see like chapter 1 quiz is due on Sunday the 18th, that is end of day, 11:59. If you need to get a hold of me, email obviously is the best way to do that. My information is here. I have also the my office from when I'm on campus this semester. If you are close to the main campus in Glen Ellen and you wish to stop in, you can make an appointment with me if something is just you need some help. I'm always available. All right, and then really, we also have the ability to do some video conferencing through Blackboard Ultra, Blackboard Collaborate. All right, so right here in course units, you will see that each week, each unit is broken down by chapters and what we'll be working on that particular week. Each one is designed to open as one closes. So right now, the Unit 1, Chapter 1 unit that we will begin the course is open in Blackboard. As you can see, each one will become available as we move through the units and the chapters. Many of the chapters are designed to build in or the activity scaffolds into later assignments. So it is important that we work through the units in a patient but timely manner. Now, whenever you see a folder in Blackboard, everybody should know that there is something inside that folder. So I begin each unit with a chapter overview and key concepts, which you should read through. Take your time. It'll help you map out what we're doing for that week's activity or 2 weeks activity, whatever they may be. In here, I also have readings and viewings, so you want to make sure each week to see that screencast video and the pages appropriately in chapter 1 that you need to read. All right, and the very first discussion board in the first unit here is the icebreaker, where everybody gets to know each other. Please participate in this. I jump in on the icebreaker discussion board, comment and welcome students to the class, and sometimes I even write a little bit about myself. So as you see, this is week 1, and for example, here we have unit 2. Chapter 8, you have the readings in the screencast. Chapter 8 is our email unit. We will go through the we will get to assignment number 1 there, which is writing emails. You've got a couple of discussion boards in this particular unit that will work through some of the activities there. And once again, you always want to make sure you look at the overview and key concepts. Now, each chapter that you have in your textbook that is assigned is going to have a chapter quiz. Each quiz is worth 10 points. I believe you have 8 quizzes for 80 points in this course. So, each week before the due date, I believe the due date will be end of day Sunday, you will pick up the chapter quiz, and you would just click on the quiz, begin the quiz. I believe I give each quiz 3 times. Students can try it for 3 times before they can submit a final grade. If you get the perfect grade, 10 out of 10, you're good. You don't have to do anything else or take it again. Each chapter quiz covers the chapter and information that I think is appropriate and important for the chapters as we move through the semester. All right, so the chapter quiz won't link through the units. You have to get to that directly by clicking on the chapter quiz item here on the course menu. If you know you have a discussion board due and you just want to get to the discussion boards, all the discussion boards are available in the discussion board section. So you know that if you're looking at your schedule, you have a discussion board due, just come on over to the item here, discussion board item in the course menu, and you can click on that. It'll take you there. Also, since I am in the discussion boards, I have here a help board. Sometimes if students are confused or maybe are unsure on how to proceed with an assignment or a discussion board or any activity in English 1105, you can just post something in the discussion board. I try to check it at least once or twice a day. If you know the information and you see that somebody has posted in the help board, you can help out your course mate, let them know the answer that they're looking for if you know them, or give them some advice. That way we create a community of everybody being available to help each other through the course. So the whole point behind this course is to create community, collaborative activity. Although it's an asynchronous type of activity and collaboration, we're not all in line and at the same time. We can always work back and forth on the discussion boards, and it's a great way to communicate and work with your classmates. Discussion boards are basically designed in your activities to help each other through, especially on some of the discussion boards where you're posting drafts of assignments. Remember, you would like to help each other out as just a sort of a peer review of work and make sure that everybody is successful in that course. This is going to be a pretty long screencast video. The first one usually it's going to be between 8 and 10 minutes. Customarily, the weekly ones are anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. Good luck to you this semester.